Sendspark lets you scale yourself with custom intros. If you need to create a lot of similar but still highly personalized videos, instead of recording the full video from scratch, you can just record a custom intro and combine it with an existing video. The end result's gonna look something like this, where you have your custom intro at the beginning, and then you can see the full video here. To create this, what you'll wanna do is first set aside the video that you're gonna use as the second part of your video. And you wanna save this in a place where you're gonna reuse it. So for example, I have folders for demos, core videos, and tutorials. And then to create the custom intro, you just would click on the Chrome extension to record the first part of your video. You have the options to record both yourself over your screen, just your screen, or just yourself. To do this faster, instead of doing it from Sendspark, you can record right from another email platform you're using. For example, we have these instant integrations in LinkedIn and in Gmail here, and some other platforms just to let you record video messages from anywhere. So the way this works, you'll click on record new video. This is gonna launch the recorder. We'll click to start recording, and I'll smile and wave and say why this video is relevant to you. Maybe we met and you just asked me a specific question, or I'm reaching out to you, but I want to really highly personalize the introduction. I can click here to stop recording, and you'll see the preview of your video here. And now you can just click on this add video button. And this is going to open up a video library of all of your videos. So you can see some of your recently recorded videos, or go into the folders with videos you've set aside. So I can click into core video, and then I can select the one I want to use. I'll just click on this add video option, and now I see this one here, and this lets me know that a video has been added. I can click on this to do a few things. I can preview the second video and make sure it's the one I want to use. Looks good to me. I can preview the combined video in a new tab, and here I can click play, and I can see the beginning video and then the intro, the beginning video and then the core video. I can change the video, so this would let me select another video I want to use instead. I can select any of these. Or I can just remove it completely if I change my mind and I don't want to do an intro. Also remember that Sendspark has templates, so if you want to send some text or a call to action in addition to the video, then you can select from a template you've saved, for example, sales outreach, and then now when you preview the combined video, you see this whole page filled out. So I have a title, a message, and I'm saying book some time with me. If this all looks good, all you have to do is click on this insert button, and it's going to shoot the video in your Gmail message or your LinkedIn message, or on Outreach, HubSpot, Zendesk, any of the platforms you're choosing to use. I really hope this helps you communicate a lot faster and create more authentic relationships with your customers. If there's anything I can do, let me know, and happy recording.